All right, we are really close to being done with this truck and actually getting it running and driving under its own power. Apologies that we haven't been doing a whole lot of videos on our Factory 5 Type 65 Shelby Daytona Coupe. We're trying to finish up the truck as quickly as we can and get that thing running and driving because we're so close to finishing that before we really get started on this. Underneath the tarp there is the engine that's going in this, and I'm gonna give you guys a little sneak peek into the future here. I'll take you upstairs into the loft. You can see the garage here. I'm gonna show you the other piece that we have for the Factory 5 that I haven't shown anybody yet. So if you come over here, I was able to pick up an LSA supercharger with the belts, the fuel rails, and the water pump that goes with it. And we're gonna be putting that on our Factory 5 Type 65 Shelby Daytona Coupe. So here's the thing. I do not want to pull any punches and cut any corners with the electrical, the wiring, the body work. I want the car to be as nice as possible. But I do want to showcase how these things can be done on somewhat of a budget. And if you want to make some big power, I want to show you how you can do that on a budget as well. Unfortunately, although Coyote engines are great, you can't make the power that you can on a nice junkyard LS engine with a supercharger or a turbo on the same budget. It is a fraction of the cost of even doing an NA Coyote. This car, when it's all said and done, is probably gonna make north of 600 horsepower to the back tire, and it's gonna weigh about 2,400 pounds. So it's gonna be really, really fast. Might be one of the faster Type 65s that has ever been made. If you're looking for a great way to support our channel, check out lowboostfilms.com. Not only does this support the channel, but you'll look great while you do it as well. We have a great selection of different types of apparel and merchandise that you guys can buy. I also have a selection of car parts and tools that we've reviewed on the channel that we know work well for sale on there as well at a good price. So make sure you check it out. So make sure you guys stick around because we're going to be working on this hot and heavy over the winter. We just got some more parts for it. We just put the spindles on. We just did the spindles on this side. I did in a previous video, and we're getting more parts to put the rest of it together. I hope to have some wheels and tires on it in the next couple months, but over the entire winter is where we're gonna be doing most of this. So stay tuned for more of those videos. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.